Hi, my name's Chanda Burke. I'm the director of the Agricultural Trade Office at the U.S. Embassy, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make pulled pork using this American pork. American pork is raised on grains, mainly corn and soybeans, so it's tasty, juicy, and tender. So this is how I like to prepare my pulled pork. I like to freeze it. It's very convenient if you're busy. Of course, you can always prepare it fresh. I like to use a sous vide cooker because it locks in the natural moisture of the pork and ensures that your finished pork is tender and juicy. And then if you put it in the freezer, you can use it at any time. Looks great, now let's enjoy. In my family, we like to enjoy pulled pork a variety of ways, and so now I'd love to show you a pulled pork over rice. Looks delicious!